Wagwan, me there again, my people. Big up respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. You see it? Yeah, manners and respect. Alright, first things first. I am going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in this video, a person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person claimed that he had been bullied by someone who you can see in the video. Now, I don't have much confirmed information about the situation that I can see in this video, viewers and subscribers. So, I would like you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me if you see any sign that can indicate that someone had been bullied by a person who you can see in the video. Here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think, my people.
So this jackass bounced me and break a light and bounced me, right? And he don't want to stop. You know, I don't call the police. I don't make report. I don't have a court date. And he still insists to sit in my vehicle. Watch your face. Watch your face. Watch your face, people. Watch your face, people. Watch him. 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 Right?
All right.
Watch your face. All right. All right. I don't make my report to the police. Right? And I have a report to the police. And he insists to sit in my car. And he bounced me. But he insists to sit in my car and bully me. Bully me. Bully me. He's a bully. Let me go to the police. I don't call them. I want to bully me. What you want to beat me now? He won't come and beat me. He don't bounce me. He won't beat me. Watch him. Watch him. That's the guy. That's the guy. A madman. A real madman.
That kind of look away to some people, you know, for know say that, you know, you hear the things what the person say. I mean, I tell you the truth, that look away in a way this way, you know. What would you do if you find yourself in a situation like that, my people? You know, based on the things what the person say in the video. Anyways, tell me if the video shows any sign that can indicate that someone had been bullied. Alright? Let me know what you think about the video. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now listen to this now, my people. Because this really and truly weird. When I say weird, this sound really weird. Alright? And these things, may I tell you, are based on news articles that I read. So I read more than one news articles that said that a hospital was somewhat partially evacuated over elderly man with explosive lodged in his rectum. So I read more than one news articles that basically said that a French hospital was reportedly evacuated after a man who is said to be 88-year-old arrived at the hospital with an artillery shell lodged in his rectum. You hear me say, my people? And let me say these things. So, it is said that this happened at a hospital in southern France, and that the elderly man reportedly had what is believed to be a World War I artillery shell inside of him. It is said that parts of the hospital were evacuated and emergency patients were diverted as they dealt with the delicate situation. My people, do you believe what you're hearing right now? Allegedly, the shell was about 8 inches long and a certain inches wide. You see what I'm saying to you? It is said that when employees at the hospital realized that there was something inside of the person and what it looks like, it is said that necessary authority or authorities was contacted about the situation. So it is said that a team somehow worked together and safely removed the shell from inside of the person. And the patient was reportedly doing fine. The man is said to be in his 80s, viewers and subscribers. Yes, the man is said to be an elderly man. And there's at least one picture that I see circulating on social media about all of these allegations in the viewers and subscribers. Now, based on the things that I just told you, that I read in those news articles, would I like you to tell me, what you think about a situation like that? Because I didn't get any information as to how something like that would have happened. Me no get no information if the elderly man explained anything as to how something like that would have happened. See? So talk about weird news. This sound like weird news to me. Can you imagine they're in a hospital and somebody arrive at the hospital with something that is believed to be some form of explosive? Somehow, Now, viewers and subscribers, I don't know much about weapons or artillery. Yes, I say it's not like I'm an army man. So I went online to do some research and I found this picture that you're looking at right here, viewers and subscribers. So this picture has been posted on social media or online, claiming to be a original US World War I French trench art engraved artillery shell. See it? I'm going to tell you what I say. Okay, well, if you're new to my channel and you want to support Dancehall Skilla channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. And if you have been here supporting Dancehall Skilla channel for some time now and have not done so, please do so. On to our next topic. Now, on another news now, viewers and subscribers, I got information that a father and his son was ambushed and killed on Tuesday within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. So I got information that the father who had been shot and killed is said to be in his 40s and that the son is said to be 19-year-old. Allegedly, and it is said that it is reported that the father was driving a motor vehicle and there was a woman and a child inside of the motor vehicle that he was driving who are said to be his child and his wife or his spouse. And it is said that the son, who is said to be the elder child, was driving another motor vehicle behind the motor vehicle that the father was driving. So it is said that they were heading home. And as those two separate motor vehicles that both the father and son was driving reach a certain location within the country of Trinidad and Tobago, one of those two motor vehicles clearly turned off a road, leaving the other motor vehicle behind. And it is at that point a motor vehicle pulled up and persons armed with guns alighted from the motor vehicle and opened fire. So it is said that the father at one point got out of the motor vehicle and started to run, but he was chased and shot multiple times. It is said that the son who was driving the other motor vehicle also had been shot, viewers and subscribers. Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to how many times those persons was shot, viewers and subscribers. However, it is said that the father died at a certain point after he'd been shot several times. But it is said that the son was still alive. And it is said that the son was taken to a medical facility to get medical attention. However, he died later on, viewers and subscribers. It's really a sad situation. So police are doing their investigation to determine what could have caused something like this to happen. I didn't get any confirmed information if police have any leads about this double murder. Now, allegedly, it is said that the female who is said to be the spouse or the wife, and who also lost a son, claimed that despite constant reports about being followed home by suspicious people, the police never responded. See? It is said that police also gave certain information about the situation and somewhat detailing certain things that might have happened, you know, like men got out of a motor vehicle that was either following or traveling behind those motor vehicles that was being driven by father and son, and shots was fired at the motor vehicle that the son was driving, and that motor vehicle somehow crashed into a fence because the son pressed gas, as well some people might say, viewers and subscribers, and give more details as to how many shots was fired and so forth, viewers and subscribers. It's really sad. So it is said that after shots was fired, gunmen got back into the motor vehicle that they were traveling in and they fled the scene, viewers and subscribers. See? But then the police are doing the investigation. Well, on to our next topic. Now, some of you might have seen pieces of videos circulating on social media that shows a female behaving very bad at the airport, viewers and subscribers. Almost as bad is like the female was behaving angry. See? Alright. Well, I got information that the woman who was caught on camera acting angry and throwing what is said to be a computer monitor at a airline agent was charged, viewers and subscribers, and that she appeared before a judge on Wednesday. So it is said that the whole incident or the whole thing happened at Miami International Airport. It is said that the female is said to be in her 20s and that she's facing charges of aggravated battery and at least one other charge, viewers and subscribers. According to investigators, it is said that on Tuesday, the female was traveling from one location to another location within the United States of America, connecting to the Miami airport. You understand? So listen now. So it is said that the female checked in to her flight at a gate after being rebooked for missing her previous flight. So it is said that while the subject was with the gate agent, her 2 children walked away without her noticing. So it is said that her 2 children walked away without her knowing to use nearby restrooms. And once the female noticed that her children were not with her, she became angry or irate, as some people might say. And at one point, the female started to scream and demanding the gate agent to find her children. And this is according to police. So it is said that investigators said that she pulled the boarding pass reader off the counter and she damaged the equipment and the countertop area, as some people might say, people. And as she continued to scream and behave certain ways, she grabbed what is said to be a computer monitor and threw it at the agent or the gate agent of viewers and subscribers. See? So it is said that custom and border protection officers who were nearby detained the female, and police officers arrived and so forth, and she was placed under arrest and she was charged accordingly, viewers and subscribers, and the gate agent sustained a certain type of injury. You see me? And that's according to authorities. You see me I say? So it is said that at some point her children were located, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, it is said that her children were located. Some people, you might have seen those videos. You might be wondering what really and truly happened. Well, may I give you the information then we may get. You know what I mean? I think here's where I'm going to leave it still, Manners, big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.